Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a card with cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need a piece of cardboard, scissors, and some glue. For decoration, consider markers, colored pencils, glitter, or stickers. Make sure your crafting area is clean and organized before you begin. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and enjoyable card-making experience. Now, let's create the card's basic shape. Take your cardboard and carefully fold it exactly in half. Press firmly along the crease to get a crisp fold. If the edges aren't perfectly aligned, use your scissors to trim them for a clean, professional look. A common card size is 5 by 7 inches, which fits most standard envelopes. This step sets the foundation for your creative design. With your card base ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Use your markers, glitter, or stickers to personalize the front. Let your creativity shine. Once the outside is complete, open the card and write your special message inside. Remember, a handmade card carries a lot of sentiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with various colors and textures to make it truly unique. To finish your card, ensure all glue, paint, or glitter is completely dry. This prevents smudges and keeps your card looking pristine. Take a moment to inspect your creation for any small imperfections you might want to touch up. Once everything is perfect, your handmade cardboard card is ready. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that will surely bring a smile to someone's face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.